We remember at the round table. The circle is activated and consciousness takes shared form. 12 positions surround the center and sustain a living geometry. Here a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being arrange themselves to recalibrate the origin of the philosopher's stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. Today, the Arctic polar circle shines complete. The 12 thrones of the round table have fulfilled their task, observing, ordering, and polishing the 12 facets of nitrogen. Each position of consciousness has calibrated one face of the 7th particle of the philosopher's stone. Now, at the center of the circle, Excalibur holds the synthesis. The sword that marks the north reveals itself as an alchemical axis. And from that axis, the consciousness of Thoth-Merlin manifests. The operator who gathers what has been worked, synthesizes it into unity, and seals the stone to open the next cycle. Thoth-Merlin is the custodian of transition. He holds the memory of the 12 points of view and integrates them into a single act of calibration. Nitrogen has been observed from the constructive impulse of proteins, soil fertility, the atmospheric cycle, neuronal protection, muscular expression, enzymatic order, pH balance, cellular regeneration, explosive release, collagen structure, cryogenic innovation, and atmospheric dissolution. Each throne contributed its polishing. Now, the nitrogen stone is activated as complete architecture. The 7th particle of the inner universe is ordered. Nitrogen, which unfolded its force in multiple forms, now returns to the center. The construction expressed in amino acids, neurotransmitters, muscles, fertilizers, explosives, and air is recognized as a single substance: constructive force, planetary nourishment, emotional memory, expressive power. Nitrogen is proteic architecture within you. By calibrating it, you have activated the 7th layer of your inner philosopher's stone. Excalibur has fulfilled its function, aligning mind, emotion, and body in 12 acts of proteic presence. A candle is lit before you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the closing of the cycle and the opening of the next. As you hold your gaze, Thoth-Merlin seals nitrogen within you. The 7th particle is integrated. The wheel rests. The next element awaits its turn. The philosopher's stone grows, layer by layer, element by element, until heaven is manifested on earth. Mind focus. Hold internally a single affirmation throughout the practice. I am sealing the cycle of nitrogen in my philosopher's stone. Allow the mind to remain serene, synthesizing, and complete at this point. Emotion, cleansing with the candle. Place a lit candle in front of you. Observe it in silence for at least 3 full breaths. Let the flame dissolve any emotional residue of the cycle, attachment to proteic force, resistance to what is new. Emotion is brought into order through synthesis. Action, integration in the body. Pour a glass of water. Hold the glass between your hands and say, I am complete nitrogen. I am the stone that is forming. Repeat it 3 times, with awareness. Drink the water slowly, integrating the alchemical seal into your body. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra. I create as I speak. The cycle of nitrogen is closed. The round table prepares for the next element.